In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add my Outlook calendar events to my Google Calendar. We're going to move your events from Outlook on the web into Google Calendar using a simple .ics file export. This is quick, reliable, and perfect for a one-time transfer. Start by opening Outlook on the web. Go to outlook.com and sign in, then switch to the calendar view. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Settings. In the search bar within Settings, type Shared Calendars and open that section. Look for the Publish a Calendar area. Here, choose the specific calendar you want to export. This is often your main calendar, and set permissions to can view all details so event titles, times, and descriptions are included. Now click Publish. Outlook will generate links and give you an option to download the .ics file. Make sure you download the .ics file and save it somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder. If you see both HTML and ICS links, you want the ICS one, since that's the format Google Calendar can import. Next, open Google Calendar in your browser. This import works best on a computer. Click the gear icon in the top right and select Settings. In the left sidebar, choose Import and Export, then click Import. Upload the .ics file you just downloaded from Outlook. Before you finish, use the drop-down to choose which Google Calendar you want to add these events to. You can place them in your primary calendar or a secondary one if you prefer to keep them separate. When you're ready, click Import. Google Calendar will confirm how many events were added. Once that's done, your Outlook events will appear in Google Calendar across all devices connected to your Google account. Keep in mind, this method imports a snapshot of your events. It does not keep things in sync going forward. If you add or change events in Outlook later, those updates won't automatically show in Google Calendar. You'd need to repeat the export and import to refresh them. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Choose the correct calendar during import so you don't mix work and personal events. If you import the same .ics file more than once, you may create duplicates. Also, check that both Outlook and Google Calendar are using the same time zone to avoid shifted event times. That's it. You've successfully added your Outlook calendar events to Google Calendar with a clean and simple .ics import.